Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth immediately. Open Quick Settings and flip Bluetooth on. Make sure airplane mode is off. Next, open Device Manager to confirm the adapter is present and enabled, because without hardware recognition, pairing fails. If you see a warning icon, install or update the driver from the laptop maker. Generic drivers sometimes work, but OEM drivers solve quirks. Once done, reboot if prompted and return to Bluetooth settings so the laptop is ready to discover devices. You now pair the device. Put your speaker, mouse, or phone into pairing mode while the laptop is discoverable. In Bluetooth settings, click the device name and confirm the PIN if prompted, or accept the pairing request. This step verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. Make sure you allow permission for contacts, media, or file access when asked, because profiles determine functionality. Once paired, choose the correct profile: audio for sound, file transfer for data, input for keyboards, so the laptop routes the right service. You finish by verifying the connection. Play a short audio clip, transfer a small file, or type to confirm input devices respond. Then set the Bluetooth device as default in sound or input preferences so apps use it automatically. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of the Bluetooth service or the laptop. Make sure nothing else is actively paired and causing interference. If problems persist, remove the device, repair it, and reinstall the adapter driver from the OEM. This fixes most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.